RC car. Come on. It's my other one. So let's start. So let me show you the inside of it. As you can see, the body's a bit damaged there. I put some tape on there, but nothing too bad. I'll show you as quick as possible, so you guys don't get bored. I don't know how much power this thing's gonna have because it's a bit flat, so we're not having enough power to ride it down or ride it up and down. Maybe we can bring it up for you, but yeah. I think it's also a brush motor. You guys can see there. Yeah, so got a nice battery here. As you can see, I got this battery. I'm not sure how big it is, but I've also got a 5,000 milliamp. But that thing is a lot of power. But the thing is actually kind of slow. It's a 1.10 scale. It's kind of slow. I might want to upgrade sometime or something like that to a bigger one, to a other car. But I had this for about a few years already. I had this car. And I wasn't really into RC cars that much at that time. But then my uncle got the RC car, and he started then thinking he get RC cars. So then I also then started to get more, and I got two, and I got this one and my other one. So yeah, some nice wheels here. The body's nice. Surprised the shocks are still fine, as you can see here. And you can hear the shocks still fine. The good thing is power. We also want to put grease on it or something. Why don't you just check that? Check what tires you are broken, yeah? That's alright to tune in, yeah? So yeah, so that is this car. So yeah, so please like and subscribe, comment down below what you think of this car. And yeah, please like and subscribe, comment below. Please all your friends and family to comment. All you RC lovers out there, please subscribe to my channel. And I will subscribe to yours. So subscribe. If you subscribe to mine, I'll subscribe to yours. So thank you. Enjoy your day or night.